Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Lakhan Singh, Government Degree College, Narsanpet, Assistant Professor of Zoology. Today we have to learning one of the important topic, Sycon canalic system. Sycon known as a Skepa, also called as an Skepa. So canalic system they are to called as a cyclonoidic types. So structure wise, Sycon is a vase-shaped measuring 2.5 to 8 centimeter length. It is large and more complex in the structure. Then Leucoselenia, it forms colonies of the finger-like cylindric arranging form a tubular base. Each cylinder of Sycon has highly performed wall-like structure. At the top of end of each branch, has a largely opening called as an osculum, which is raised edges at the elevated region. Monoaxon spicules form an upstanding collar forming a fringe. It prevents the entry of unwanted objectives in this osculum. They have to prevent the unwanted entry material or objectives in the sponges. Through the outside surface of the sponges appears to the smooth area. It is then through into the regular arranged polygonal elevations. So like all other sponges, Sycon also has the characteristics canalic system. These canalic system also called as a cyclonoidic types. So a cyclonoidic type canalic system mainly they have to very important in characteristics water currents which bring food material inside. The canal system present in Sycon called very important. Then various parts including are number 1 spongiocysts or paragastro-cavity, number 2 radial canal, number 3 called as an external canal, then fourth one incurrent canal, third one also called as a radial spongiocysts they have to melting together called as an external canal. So in this canalic system inside body they have to located this type of structure. So they have to water animal, sea water travels into the body through ostrea, then incurrent canal, then flow through the posophile into radial canal. From there through epiphyseal it enter the external canal. External canal and reach the spongiocysts from spongiocysts where they have to osculum its flow outsides. So in this phenomena canalic system structure like this. In that picture we have to see as an so ostrea is then through ostrea water influent to the ostrea, incurrent canal, then spongiocysts, radio canal, apophyseal, external canal, then spongiocysts outside of the water. So this is then very critical and very important canalic system in Sycon or sponges. So external canals and radial canal and incurrent canal and spongiocele. These four canals are very important. First one, spongiocele, they have to throwing into the water in that body, traveling to the canal system, longitudinal, and observed it shows special cavity, paragastric cavity. Paragastric cavity, this open outside through the osculum. Then second one, radial canal. These are also called as in a flagellated canals. Flagellated canals, the body well lining the spongiocele is pushed out at regular intervals, then finger-like projections. Third one, external canal. External canal, radial canal and spongiocele, these both connecting to the external canal. The external canal is just like the spongiocele. It communicates with spongiocele through an appendage called as in a paragastrico-ostimum. Then last one, incurrent canal. This is then space is left over in between two successive radial canals. This space is referred to an incurrent canal. The other words, radial and incurrent canals arrange alternately on the body. These canals are lined with flatted pinocytics as in a spongiocele. On the outer side, each incurrent canal is covered by poromembranes prized by 3 or 4 osteas. This area called as an osteas called pores like structure called as an outside. Each incurrent canal is covered by pore membranes prized by 3 or 4 osteas. So the ostia are intercellular, the incurrent canals on their inner side. So in this inner side, end bluntly, this is then end bluntly inside. Unlikely radial canals, the wall between the incurrent and radial canals is prized by many minute pore called prosophiles, which are present in calls prosocytics. So in this connection, so circulation water in the body through food material, then oxygen, and take away from the some excretory parts. So in these canalic systems, they have to very critical to the traveling inside the water. So this is then half like structure, then cut out the see this area. So these canals they have to link each other. So traveling through the canalic system water and taking some food material and some oxygen, then excrete some unwanted food material from the body. So if flagellated structure outside specules, they have to protect from the body outside unwanted material, those not enter to the body. That is called dermal layer. This dermal layer This is then dermal layer called as a dermal layer. So this dermal layer, they have to protect the body from outside. Unwanted material is not coming to the inside. So this is then very important topic in sponges or porifera, is in a very important topic in canalic systems, is in a special character to the poriferans. So this is then end our class today. So we meet tomorrow another topic in porifera or very another topic. So thank you.